How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So we're back here for another stump talk, talking about, SHTF or worst case scenario, and just kind of diving into the possibilities that could arise, and just to get your brain thinking, all right? So the whole intent of this is Minuteman, bug out bag, get home bag kind of genre is what we're talking about for folks that aren't familiar. But one topic that is slightly controversial and is often brought up a lot is rifle versus pistol. And do you carry one over the other, or do you carry both? And I'm going to dive in and give you my opinion of actually going through a lot of training scenarios, active duty military, and even just purchasing my own, with my own money to go train with outside entities, and how I feel that they work. So, dive into it. Might be controversial, but I ultimately think the rifle is king, honestly. And you don't really need a pistol to come out on a patrol with you, or going somewhere, patrolling around your neighborhood. And I know that upset a bunch of people immediately, going, "Are you crazy? I'm going to carry both." And I understand that. It depends on your scenario and what you're doing. But I'm going to give you my scenario and why I often don't. Now, am I carrying one now? Yes, I am. I am in grizzly territory, and 5.56 isn't really going to do too much. Plus, this is 10 millimeter over here with some really good loads. I like 10 millimeter, but in training scenarios, I have swapped this out for a Glock 19, and I've ran a Glock 19 on my chest in this pack right here, or on my side. And it's funny because all the scenarios, and I'm considering LARPing here, like as in there's actually OP4 with blanks or simunitions or UTMs or paintballs or whatever you want to say, actively trying to aggress us throughout like a weekend or a day or a week. And I rarely have ever used a pistol. And mainly it's only for transition drills, like if rifle would go down. But even then, you can just reload. Now, I get it for CQB and that kind of other aspects. There's different talk, and we can do that in a different video. But ultimately, you, as a Minuteman or a rifleman, securing your neighborhood or something like that, should you stress out that you don't have a pistol? No. Honestly, more than half, I would say 80% of the time, a pistol, when I've carried it throughout the field like this, it's just been excess weight is all it is, and it's rarely ever used. And I'm talking over 12 years of me carrying a pistol, yes, because luckily within my career, we carry pistols immediately out of our training. It's not like you have to get to a certain rank to get a pistol. It's like, here's a pistol, here's a rifle, there you go. So ultimately, the rifle is your primary. And I wouldn't even say, even though the pistol is a secondary, arguably it is, but it's not viewed as a secondary to me whatsoever. It's excess weight. Now, I get it if you're trying to go more gray man and say you don't have a rifle and you want to blend into your community and you have a loss of power and there's just roaming gangs and stuff, and you want to kind of plus up, and there's kind of this weird government-ish status thing going on, like hypothetical here, right? Then yeah, I could see you concealing a pistol. But if you're gonna bring this out, I feel like there's no main reason to bring a pistol, because it's just gonna add weight and it's gonna be something you probably don't use. And if you don't believe me or disagree, that's fine. But I'm telling you, if you go out on a 10-mile patrol and you carry the pistol for at least a weekend, every day do 10 miles or 5 miles or 3 miles or whatever. If you do a normal patrol throughout the day, and you're aggressing or defending, you're never gonna touch this, and your mind's gonna be open and go, I could put more food instead of a pistol. I could put more, or night vision, or, I could do more things in place of said small pew pew. So that's just my opinion. Now, there are some circumstances I would bring a pistol, like I said, concealed carry, gray man, that kind of stuff, and I would have one. But coming out to the field, most of the time, no. In this circumstance, I am grizzly territory. Again, I mentioned it because sometimes I don't bring this because this is just for training purpose, but sometimes I enjoy fly fishing and whatnot. So 10mm is going to come with me. And I have it set up for IR purposes, for night vision, just in case, because I am very far from home. I drive out very far into the mountains, so it is what it is. I'm kind of weird about it, but yes, I carry one, but it's for different circumstances. If I would go into, you know, cataclysmic event, I'm probably not gonna bring this. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, throw your comments in the comment section. I get it, people are gonna be upset, some people are gonna agree, that's fine. I'm not beating you up, I'm just sharing information, and then you come to your own conclusion and thought process. It's simple as that. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, definitely subscribe. I found out like 70% of you that watch these things are not subscribed, which you just hit the subscribe for me, because that would be massively helping, and it's free for you. So yeah, if you could do that, that would be amazing, outstanding, thank you. Other than that, if you guys like this, let me know, we'll keep going. You all have a great day.